Sensex Open Lower, Infosys top gainer after Anthropic's deal. Cochin Shipyard Rallies 6%. The BSE Sensex fell 0.3% or 238 points intraday to 83,039, while the NSE Nifty 50 fell as much as 0.4% to 25,591. NSE Bull statue and representing Indian bread full roll. People of Indian state outside the NSE headquarters building in Mumbai. Hello and welcome to our live coverage on stock market. Indian equity benchmark open lower of Tuesday, led by the decline in Reliance Industries Ltd and ICICI Bank Ltd. BSE Sensex fell as much as 0.3% or 238 points to 83,039, while the NSE Nifty 50 fell as much as 0.4% to 25,591. The declines in the benchmark indices were followed by negative cues from the Asian market as the Japanese Nikkei and 225 index fell for the fourth consecutive trading session over concern on AI fears. 11 out of 15 sectoral gains and completed by NSE trade lower, led by NSE Nifty Metal Index 1.3% fall. On the flip side, the NSE Nifty India Defense Index was the top sectoral gainer, up 1.3%. The market breadth was titled in the favor of buyer. 1,796 stock advances and the 1,245 share decline on BSE. Elsewhere in Asia, the Lunar New Year holiday keeping trading volume light, and mainland China and Hong Kong are sweet for the holiday period. US markets are set to reopen today after the President's Day and holiday on Monday. S&P 500 feature rose for 0.2%, while the Euro stock and 50 feature gained 0.1%. Japan's topics was little sense, while Nikkei 225 declined and the Australia S&P ASX 200 rose 0.4%. Stock market live. Cochin Shipyard sums over 7% after a 5,000 crore Navy visual order win. Cochin Shipyard rose on March as 7% to reach 1,574.50, biggest intraday gain in over 8 months. The company said it was a declared L1 Ministry of Defense meeting in the November, a trader to build 5 next generation survey